The journey to Elma's Beauty Bar. I, Salman Dubush Kongeni, a young entrepreneur and makeup artist. Here is my story on how I started my makeup journey. Makeup artists are beauty practitioners who offer general makeup services or work in prosthetic design. Their primary duties include enhancing facial aesthetic through makeup, creating custom looks for clients, and working with actors on theater, television, film, fashion, magazines, and other similar productions, including all aspects of the modeling industry. Ever since when I was a young girl, I've always wanted to do fashion design and beauty-related business. Even though I did science in high school and still doing it at university, it didn't hinder my passion for business. I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur offers so much potential in today's world. You gain the freedom and privilege to make your own decisions and manage your own business. What really pushed me the most to start this business and attain the knowledge and passion I have now? First and foremost, they say beginnings are always a challenge in business. I had zero idea of what I was getting myself into. I had a dream, but these were my obstacles during my starts. Where to start, needs, expectation, my target market, the right knowledge, failure, financial support, who to talk to, where to start and how to start. I had zero knowledge about what I wanted to do, but one thing leads to another. My passion and love for beauty-related business drove me to start. When I went to university, I got inspired by few individuals doing different business on campus. This helped me believe in myself and got me a clue where to start. From that moment, I then been asking myself, when will it be me? Is this really what I want to do? What am I really good at? And how was I going to start? How much do I need to start? When will I get sponsors to fund my idea? Since I'm just a student, I have no income. I needed to do something I love, a type of business which is familiar and based on a trending fashion and beauty which many will support and learn to. There were certain things I didn't like about makeup, and I did really picture myself doing this kind of business. But sometimes life is funny like that, especially foundation. I won't lie to you, I hated foundation so much for reasons I don't know. I will always be disgusted if I picture it on my face as another layer on my skin. They say you would only understand something better when you went through it. I didn't understand the needs until I gave it a try. Today I stand here and I would like to forgive myself the days I didn't understand the needs of this whole makeup business. It's adorable and simply fascinating to be a makeup artist. I will always be grateful for what I've become. The learning journey. Honestly, I did not know much about makeup. I thought makeup was just a foundation, eyeliner, pencil, lipstick on gloves. I took a step of learning how to do my eyebrows through watching makeup tutorials on YouTube. It's where I have discovered a lot of things about makeup. I only had an eyebrow pencil and concealer that I used to keep in a small white plastic bag, and some few old brushes. I don't know where I got them from. A million journey starts with one step. I have faith and destiny. I then continued doing my simple makeup, and my friends and followers would compliment and ask who did my makeup. This gave me hope that I was doing great. I just needed to push more. Seems like people liked my work. Just after 3 weeks I started doing makeup. People started coming in for their face bit and all that, and some started asking if I give lessons too. One thing leads to another. At this point, I realized that I needed to get serious and watch more videos on how to be a pro. The passion for makeup started growing. Now, I would have 2 to 4 bookings a week. Here I have my school and on the other hand my business. It was time to multitask. As more people started coming, I needed much funds to get the right material to offer the best service. That was quite expensive, and this was a bit challenging because I had to turn down some offers because I did not have enough or right equipment to do the work. I had to keep up with the little I had. While I was turning down big offers like weddings, functions, family gathering, graduations, cause I was still growing up. I remember the proverb my mother loved to say, "Ohakara no ruhozi rume." You start with what you have until you get what you want. Gradually, I started saving at the end of 2018. I started buying products one by one, and the love for makeup even became more real now. I will stay up all night watching tutorial videos on YouTube and practice on my face. Come 2019, I realized this is a dream come true. I had most of the things a makeup artist should have. At this point, I was getting big bookings offers. I remember the days I would go to the mall to buy my food and groceries. I would end up buying makeup instead. At first, I used to be a little mad at myself. That was too addictive. Every money I get, I spend on makeup. Later on, got used to the person I changed into and excited me. I learned more every day until I started calling it a business. End of 2019, I thought of finding a business name or logo and getting my business registered. All this was set for 2020. 2020 was another terrible year. Everything started falling apart due to COVID-19. All my bookings I had for graduation weddings function didn't go well. I had lost so much that by now I would have my own business up and running. But everything happens for a reason. It was beyond our control. I've been working from home like every other victim of this pandemic. I got a logo for my business. It's done, and I'm proud to announce to all my old and new clients that for all your makeup bookings, you should officially reach me here. Elma's Beauty Bar. This is officially my company. Thank you so much for your loyal support. All in all, I would like to thank God, the Almighty, for His love, mercy, blessings, and to thank my family, friends, and clients who supported me through my entrepreneurship journey. It is because of your love, support, prayers, and loyalty that I'm at this point today. The final touch goes to all the young bloods trying to make something out of nothing. I'll always keep you in my prayers. You are actually in the right path. It's only possible once you start. And courage is the right medicine to your destiny. I'll always remember why I started. I didn't come this far to only come this far. I've always had a dream, and I'll continue working on my utmost best to get where I want. This is just the beginning. I'm just getting started. Dear child, don't sleep on your dreams. Chase them instead.